to guess the characteristics of each balloon. Are you ready? Are you ready? Very good.
Okay na, anak na. Ingat, thank you. Go.
Uwi na po. Ay, pasok po ako.
Ingat, anak.
Ramon, salamat.
Salamat.
Wala yun.
Alright.
Kaya ka na dito.
Anam? Anam?
Dok, hindi rin. Andiyan ka. Saan nagpatato?
Thank you. Okay, let's start the music, sir. Thank you. Let's watch, kids, and enjoy. Raise your hand if you know the answer for my first balloon is a colored part of a plant. What is this? Yes, tita, it's a flower. Okay? Get your balloon and your prize. Kung ba sa may upuan? And dyan po, tita, oh. Get your prize po. Yes. And this is usually comes out during Easter Sunday. It can hop and jump. Yes, it's a bunny. Get your balloon and your prize there. Next is, it's a talking bird. What kind? Yes, very good. It's a parrot. Get your prize. And animal with a long neck. Yes, kaya it's a giraffe. Get your balloon and your prize. A big sharp that we use in it, sensing it's a spada or sword. Then your prize. And this is a kind of candy, something soft, sweet, and colorful. Mallows! Very good! Si Lola nag-enjoy. Ganyan talaga pag nagsi-second childhood. Joke. Next is, climbing on a tree is a favorite hobby. It's a monkey! Yay! Get your balloon and your prize, tita. Alright, and prize. Okay, kids, just remain seated because we are going to have a puppet show.
Nananalo ko dahil ko napanalo, pinamimigay ko rin sa mga kids. Hindi bagay sa akin yan. Ano naman yan? Wala pa rin pagbabago.